Hi there friends, today we're going to draw an incredible side view of Superman. Ready to bring this hero to life? Let's get going. Let's start by drawing one of his eyes. Start with the pupil, then draw the brow on top. Next, move on to his nose and mouth. From there, sketch his chin and draw out his neck. Now it's time to go back to his forehead, starting near the front. Let's continue with the ear. And go back to working on the hair. Draw a line for his neck and continue by drawing the back of his head, all the way to the top. Keep going. You are doing great. You're doing amazing. Once the hair is in place, let's draw those highlights that will make it really pop. You can add some zigzag lines just the way you like it. Believe it or not, but this will make him look more manly and stronger. Let's color in the hair. Start by drawing a line from his shoulder to his chest. From here, we'll draw his broad cape and his powerful looking chest. Let's add some wrinkles to add some depth to the cape. Let's color it in. Keep going. To finish it off, add some shadows around his features and the chest to make everything look bold and dramatic. And of course, the final touch, let's add that iconic S right in the middle of his outfit. There you have it, your very own Superman. You've done a great job. Keep at it, and I'll catch you in the next drawing adventure.